it's Ella and we are at Naas Race Course for Drone Days. We're so excited because we're going to be flying around the Wingtra, DJI, and of course, I'm here with Sorvo and we're so excited for everybody to see how Sorvo is going to change the way they work.
Wrapping up a great day here in Naas Race Course, right? I'd like to thank everyone for coming, everyone who supported us on the Oran team and the guys from Sorvo and Drone Professionals Ireland as well, alright. It was a great day all around and I hope everyone who attended got a lot out of it. So it was a great way to wrap up the end of the day then with some drone demos after going through all the technical stuff during the day. So yeah, no, thanks again for very much for coming and we hope to see you all soon.